channel. It's Danae here, Barely Bold, and it is a day with Danae. So I haven't done one of these in a really long time, and I'm super excited to be back at it. Can I back up a little bit? There we go. Okay. All up in my business. All up in it. All up in it. So I haven't done one of these in a long time. Everything's 100%. My camera's good. I got new batteries. Got a new laptop. So things should be picking back up on this channel here pretty soon. Today's a pretty basic day. I just got back from out of town. My sister graduated from the Ohio State University this past weekend with a bachelor's of arts in public affairs with a concentration in nonprofit management and a minor in Spanish. So congrats to my sister. And I spent the weekend with my boo thing. Yes, I have a boo. That's a whole nother video, but I'm just getting ready to go get my tire fixed at Walmart, and then I'm going to go to work, and I have a wine night set up with one of my friends later. And it's going to be a really basic day. I don't know how much I'm going to film, but I'm really excited that you guys are going to be with me. Oh gosh, I don't know how this is going to work out, y'all. You're going to see. We're going to see. Alright, I think I got it. I think we're good now. It is so hot. Praise the Lord. Lord. I know I look a ratchet mess today, you guys. I'm aware. I had an early morning. Got me looking at the mirror different, thinking I'm flawed because you inconsistent, because you don't care about a thing except your mother frickin' self. Yes, Cardi. So I got home a little bit earlier than expected today, and I'm gonna clean up my apartment. I made some dinner, as you can see behind me. I just made spaghetti. Super simple. But I'm getting ready to clean. Just basic things that I do on a day-to-day basis. But it's a day with Danae, so you guys can join. Yeah. I'm out of breath. I look a hot mess, but it's cool. Who I'm trying to look cute for anyway. Whew. Okay. You call me all friendly. Hey guys, I have completely and totally failed at a day with Danae. It's like a few days later. It's like a few days later with Danae. But no, I mean, I'll get better with vlogging. I just haven't done it in so long. I completely forget that I'm supposed to be vlogging my life, you know. So I will do better. It's like a few days later. Sorry. I'm so sorry. But I'm going to edit this video tonight and post it, get it done quickly. I'm like really trying to get myself to start using a planner, because I feel like I buy these planners and then I never use them. Like I bought this one. Like, it's so cute. It says work hard and be nice, which is what we should all do. But like, I don't use it like ever. So yeah, I'm getting ready to, I think I'm gonna rearrange my apartment a little bit, just because I want to change the feng shui of things. I love it, but like I moved my table around back there, if you could see it, and kind of just like moving stuff. I have some clothes to fold too, but yeah, I'm gonna go do that and get this uploaded, and then we will be peachy. I'll have a new video up, so that'll be good. I'm just gonna go to bed soon. I'm done with everything and get some rest. I'm so tired. Oh, I'm so tired. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. If you have not already, please do subscribe to my channel. I'd love for you to be a part of my life. And that's about it. Have a great day, guys. Bye.